Hello student 11. This sum is on set theory. Sum number 1. If a equal to x, x belongs to n and x less than equal to 9. X is an even number, x greater than 0 less than 10 and b equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7, write the set A union B complement. Okay. According to the question solution, according to the question, u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because elements of x is elements of u are x such that x belongs to n, that is number of elements are all natural number, but number start from 1 to n, start from 1 up to n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a equal to even number 2, 4, 6, 8, because x such that x is an even number, x greater than 0 less than 10, so numbers are elements of a are 2, 4, 6, 8 and elements of b equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So, A union B, this is equal to A union B, 2 to all elements of 2 and 3 altogether, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That is A union B complement, that is U minus universal set minus A union B, that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, except 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 1 and 9. So, it will A union B complement, that means elements of U, elements belongs to U, elements does not belong to A union B. Next sum. Let universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and A equal to 2, 4, 6 and B equal to 3, 5 and C equal to 1, 2, 4, 7. Find A complement union B intersection C complement. So, we have A complement equal to U minus A, that is 2, 4, 6, except 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. Elements belongs to U but does not belongs to A. Okay. So, we have A complement equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and C complement equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. Complements belongs to U does not belong to C. That means C 1 2 4 1 2 sorry 4. So this is 3 5, that means 3 5 6, C 7 6 3 5 6, C complement 1 1 2 4 7 1 2 4 7. So I will get 3 5 6. Okay. Now A complement, this is A complement union B intersection C complement equal to, this equal to A this and B intersection C complement. Here B intersection C complement equal to, that is B intersection C complement, intersection, that means only 3 5. So A complement and B intersection C complement union, that is 1 3 5 7. Okay. Next question. If X union Y 1 2 3 4, X union Z, that is 2 3 4 5, and X intersection Y, that is equal to 2 3, and X intersection Z equal to 2 4, find X Y Z. This is X, this is Y, this is Z, X Y Z. So X union Z, that is equal to 2 3 4 5. X intersection Z equal to 2 4. X intersection Z, that means this area, but Y is here. So X intersection Y is 2 3. So 2 X intersection Y and X intersection Z, 2 is common. So I will write here 2 and here 4. So X intersection Z 2 4. X intersection Y equal to 2 3. So this is 3, X intersection Y, and X union Z equal to X union Z 2 3 4 5. Okay. X union Z. X union Y equal to, one is X union Y equal to 1 2 3 4. X union Y 1 2 3 4, because X intersection Z is here, X intersection Y 1 2 3 4. So I can write X equal to 3 2 4, that means 2 3 4. Okay. y equal to 1 2 3 and z equal to 2 4 5. Okay. This is long answer type question, sum number 7 in your book, and sum number 6, if u equal to a b c d e f, a equal to a c d, b union c equal to a d c f, find A intersection B union A intersection C. Do it yourself. Okay. Now I am ending here.